Hi, my name is Monica Mahendru and I'm a DEI facilitator with Syngrity Transformation Solutions. We specialize in experiential and immersive learning methodologies. For me, DEI is an lived experience. I have worked in organizations that have been culturally inclusive and I've seen the difference that it makes towards your productivity, towards your happiness, and in turn, retaining an employee. My philosophy towards running workshops is keep it very simple and create a safe space for everybody that lends itself to some honest, authentic conversations. DEI, in my mind, is a deeply transformative experience that starts first on a personal level and then extends itself into the organization that you're working for. And which is the reason why the more you keep it simple, the more you allow space for somebody to confront their own biases and stereotypes, and that's really the first step to change. To know more about what we do and who we are, please do reach out.